Hi guys, my name is Greta, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you like beauty, fashion, travel and lifestyle, then please consider subscribing. So I upload videos every Monday, so I hope I will see you in one of them. So I am so excited for today's video guys because we will be trying on one of the most popular brow product in the market these days, which is the Browcode. So this is very famous because it is designed by one of the most in-demand brow stylists in the world, Melanie Maris, and it's also used by Cardi B. So it's spotted being used by Cardi B, so that's why it's very famous. So let's get into it. So this was kindly sent to us by Browcode to try on. Thank you, Browcode. I just want to emphasize that though this was sent as a gift, my review is still purely based on my experience with the product and on my personal opinion. So first thing guys, I just want to highlight or emphasize their packaging because I was really impressed. So it came like wrapped in a gift wrapped with their logo on, and then this box. So this box is really thick. So the items inside are well protected, and then got a ribbon on. So inside, it's like that one. So it came with a personal note which says, "Hi Greta, so excited for you to try Browcode. Hope you love your new products. Love Browcode." That's really very thoughtful. Thank you, Browcode. And then inside it got the laminating kit, which is the sample one, and then the DIY brow tint kit. So actually and honestly guys, I cannot wait. I already used this product. I have opened it and applied it on my eyebrows. So as you can see, my eyebrows are looking really good, and I didn't apply anything on aside from these ones. So I just want to show you nothing. So if you want this kind of brows, then stay tuned. I will be showing you the step-by-step process. So to start off with guys, we have to make sure that our eyebrows are free of any product. So I have already, showered, and I did apply some makeup on my face, but I didn't apply anything on my eyebrows. So nothing. So make sure that it is clean. So if you notice, I do have some color in it already because my eyebrows are actually microbladed around 4 to 6 months ago. So that's why it got that color. We will mix our potion. So we will mix the 2 tubes. So it says on the instructions to use a pea size of each. So it comes with this cute bowl, so you can mix it there, and it also comes with the mixing brush. So that's really handy. So just apply a pea size, and then we will mix it together. I think that's creamy enough. There. So I will be applying it now on my eyebrows. Don't worry if they go over, you can wipe it later with a cotton bud. Alright, and then I will just wipe the excess with a cotton tip. So you want to shape it the same as you would want your eyebrow to look like. There, and then I will just make sure that it's spread out evenly. So I will just be using this one. So I'll mix it because we don't want it patchy. So yeah, we have to make sure that it's spread out. Moving on to the next one, I will just mix again 3 sides of it because I think what is left is not enough. So I'll just mix. Alright, so I think that's mixed well. So we will now, I don't know if you can see, so we will now apply it on the other side. There we go, and then you wipe the excess off with a cotton tip. And then we will just blend it just to make sure that it won't be patchy. Alright, so I think that's good enough, and then we will wait for 10 minutes. So we will just time it up. So 10 minutes. You stare into my... Alright, so 10 minutes have already passed. Actually, it's 10 minutes and 24 seconds. So let's wipe it off now. So it is recommended to use like, a wet cotton pad to wipe the product off. So it says that the longer you leave the product on, the darker it will be. So if you want it darker, then leave it longer. But if you don't like it too dark, then follow the 1 to 10 minutes time frame. So anyway, I will just be wiping it off now. Alright, so yeah, so it did. My eyebrows are looking darker now. And we'll wipe the other side. So this is the final result, guys. So overall, I am very happy with the result. So as you can see, it made my eyebrows look darker and fuller. Yes, it looks very nice now. I really like how it looks like now. And the process was easy. It wasn't, messy, thanks to the convenience of having the small bowl and the mixing brush. That's really very convenient. So yeah, it makes it a lot easier. So that's a good thing as well. So guys, I definitely recommend this tinting kit from Browcode. If you can do it yourself, why do you need to go to the salon? And if it will last for 4 weeks, then this would last for a year. Just make sure that you close the product or you close the tube really well, so that, because it may affect the effectiveness if air will be going in. So just make sure that it's closed properly. So I think that's all, guys, and if you want to try it, I will be posting their link below, and then you can order directly on their website. So I hope you like this video, guys. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and always take care and God bless. I'll see you on my next vlog.
If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out, louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. Don't let them sell you all of their dirt. It all will come back once the tables turn. Bolder, go bolder. Now set your sails on high. And you're stronger, much stronger than they will ever be. Don't you know that you're beautiful?